Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to score 90 plus marks in biology. So basically, biology is one of my most favorite and most strongest subject that I have ever read because I have always been a very good student for my biology teacher as I have always scored 95 plus marks in each and every midterms, pre-boards, in my class 11th final exams as well, in my class 11th midterms as well. So this is the only subject that has never betrayed me. So definitely I can give you some of the most significant tips based on my experiences of how to study this particular subject. First of all, here I have mentioned that how to study biology like a pro. So here I have mentioned some of the teachers who helped me a lot in this difficult journey. You know, Vipin Sharma sir, highly recommended. I don't think that any of you not knowing about Vipin Sharma sir, being a biology student, you must be knowing about him. He is the king of botany and zoology as well, but I think that he has not taught zoology on YouTube channel because I was studying from him from Arjuna batch. So in that batch he has taught zoology section as well, but I don't think that here he has taught it. So he is the king of botany. And Rupesh Chaudhary sir, he is also amazing. If you want detailed explanation of each and every chapter beyond NCERT, then you can go with Rupesh Chaudhary sir. If you have enough ample amount of time, then only. But if you want crisp notes to revise during your exams and you do not have much time, then you definitely need to go with Vipin Sharma sir because I don't want you to compromise your time during your exams because if you're going beyond the NCERT, that is not definitely going to come in your exam. So you should be NCERT focused only, as NCERT is the only bible for biology for NEET as well as CBSE exam, also for CUET and other exams. NCERT is enough. For zoology, follow Samapti ma'am and Tulika ma'am. They are best teachers for zoology according to me. And here is the stepwise breakdown for biology preparation. The first thing is make proper long notes on a white copy, either spiral or any other proper notes to cover each and every point of NCERT. I have seen so many students who are just sticking notes on their NCERT of biology and saying that I don't make notes. Each and every point is mentioned in NCERT. Then what's the purpose of writing each and everything of NCERT in another notebook? Why should I make another NCERT when I have one already? So I want to tell to those students that there are ample amount of resources in this world, but your mind is not having each and every of them. So for getting something fixed in your mind, or for getting something just stick to your mind, you need to write down those things. You have to make notes because if you don't know the significance of notes, you are definitely not going to score good at all. So make proper notes. एक प्रॉपर वाइट मोटी कॉपी बनानी है और फिर उसमें आपको नोट्स लिखने हैं. मैंने भी बनाई थी. शुड आई शो यू राइट नाउ? ओके, लेट मी शो. सो यू कैन सी दिस वाज माय बायोलॉजी कॉपी जो कि मैंने बनाई थी. सो इसमें मैं प्रॉपर नोट्स लिखती थी. यू कैन सी कि आई वॉज जस्ट प्रॉपर राइटिंग नोट्स. I always believed कि writing notes is significant for this subject, so I had always been making it. You can see here each and everything is written here. I still like to make notes because notes are the only thing. Most of the times I had my exams, like today is my physics exam of like pre-board, and next day I have to give my biology, and I used to revise each and every chapter from these notes. You can think that it's long note, but definitely when you know each and every word written in your note, तब short notes और long notes में कोई difference नहीं रह जाता है. एंड यहाँ पे आई हैड रिटन एग्जाम्पल्स जो होते हैं एनसीईआरटी के, न्यूमेरिकल्स आई हैड रिटन, देन आई हैड प्रैक्टिस्ड ऑल द डायग्राम्स, यू कैन सी all the process of genetics, each and everything I have just practiced well. और सारे एग्जाम्पल्स भी मैंने लिखे, तो यू कैन सी, और इवन राइटिंग की भी प्रैक्टिस मैंने की थी इसके ऊपर. तो जस्ट राइटिंग नोट्स is one of the most important thing. Here you can see I'm still making notes. I love to make them because they are very important for you to score well in any class that you are currently in. I think that this Moti notebook is enough to tell you that how significant is note making. And ये मेरी पहली कॉपी थी जो कि मैंने बनाई हुई थी. So yeah, this was my first copy which I had made. तो यही मेरी फर्स्ट कॉपी है जो कि मैंने बनाई हुई थी. रुपेश चौधरी सर ने मुझे उस टाइम पे बॉटनी पढ़ाया था. सो क्योंकि मैं लक्ष्य बैच में थी. सो यू कैन सी it is very important to make notes. I love my notes, just they are fantastic. Okay, so I hope that this point is really very clear to you, that make proper long notes on a white Moti copy. Now solve PYQs from Saurabh Raina sir's YouTube channel or together with or any other source. As I have mentioned already, that PYQ solving is most significant in this journey of board examination of class 12, as PYQs are the ones that are definitely going to be repeated in each and every class that you are going to be in. So you can solve PYQs from Saurabh Raina sir. He has provided selective PYQ questions that are definitely going to repeat in your exams. But if you want to solve from a particular book, then this is the book that I was following together with. It's not a promotional video. You can definitely go and see my subscribers to know that who is going to give me sponsorship for doing the promotion of their book. But this is the book I really loved, so I'm saying. In this book, like, wait. In this book, questions are provided after each and every chapter. Each and every chapter, questions are provided. Let me show you. Topic wise, chapter wise. Like, this book is just amazing. Or end में I had solved questions from this chapter. These questions are amazing. It gets repeated so many times. A particular topic is provided, and after that questions are given. Some model test papers, sample papers are also provided. So this book is definitely going to help you in this journey. It's the bestest book for PYQ solving in biology, and its price is like for 95 rupees, but you can get it for around like 450 rupees or something. So it's very important for you to score good in this class. You need to buy this book. It's amazing. Like in previous video, I had mentioned Saurabh Raina sir's PYQ's book and also a question bank. But I was saying that it is not much recommended because I myself had not used it much. But this time I'm saying that this CBSE together with is just amazing book. Even if you complete a particular chapter from this book, you are definitely going to score good. After that, make short quick notes, very important, very significant. And after this all, make a separate copy for diagrams and labelings, numericals and formula. बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स भी हैं हमारे पास ऑब्वियसली. आपने देखे होंगे कि 12th बायोलॉजी के सेक्शन में जो जेनेटिक्स वाला पोर्शन है उसमें भी बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं. काफ़ी सारे फार्मूलाज आपको इकोलॉजी वाले सेक्शन में भी देखने को मिल जाएंगे. तो ये जितनी भी चीज़ें यहाँ बताई गई हैं, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है साइंटिस्ट के लिए नोट्स बनाना, क्योंकि साइंटिस्ट के नाम को याद रखने में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है. मैंने भी इस तरीके से नोट्स बनाए हुए थे साइंटिस्ट को याद रखने के लिए. तो ये ज़रूर बना लेना, क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि अगर आपको साइंटिस्ट के नाम याद रहते तो आधे से ज़्यादा समस्या तो यूँ ही दूर हो जाते. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ नोट्स फॉर साइंटिस्ट. द मेजर क्वेश्चन इज़, ये सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी कहाँ पे? तो ये जितनी भी चीज़ें मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन की है, ये सभी आपको सौरभ रैना सर जो हैं उनके यूट्यूब चैनल पे मिल जाएगी। डेफिनेटली सौरभ रैना सर इज़ गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट mentor that you have ever followed in the journey of any classes that you have already been. He is the best mentor. So ये सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया। इनके अलावा उन्होंने एमसीक्यूज़ भी बहुत सारे प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं जो काफ़ी रिपीटेड है। मैंने भी सारे सॉल्व किए। मैंने अपनी टुगेदर विद कम्प्लीटली सॉल्व की थी। एंड इवन एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम आप समरी भी रीड कर सकते हो। Resources that I use definitely together with, and yeah, it's recommended, it's fully recommended. And आप इस तरीके से कुछ नोट्स जो है, जो डिफ़िकल्ट टॉपिक्स लग रहे हैं उसको आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, कुछ पेपर्स लेकर। जो चीज़ें मैंने मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल का बनाया था क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स लगता था, याद ही नहीं होता था, सो आई मेड दिस ताकि याद हो जाए। एंड डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प्ड मी, तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस एज वेल। और ये साइंटिस्ट का ज़रूर बनाना। ये सारी चीज़ें, सारी वीडियो सौरभ रैना सर के यूट्यूब चैनल पे सर्च करना। आई एम नॉट एट ऑल डूइंग प्रमोशन ऑफ सौरभ सर बिकॉज ही हैज़ हेल्प मी, सो गुरु दक्षिणा यू कैन थिंक, बट ही इज़ बेस्ट। ओके, so this is, you can take screenshot, this is the tips how to study biology like a pro, and definitely you are going to become pro. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more amazing tips for physics, English, and other subjects as well. I had physical education and home science as additional subject. In those subjects as well, I scored good marks, 95 plus marks. So I can suggest you tips for them as well. So tell me if you want tips for physical education, home science, but physics ke tips, so definitely I'm going to upload as soon as possible because it is very important. So thank you so much.